Welcome back once again. Now you have taken a good decision. Okay, this decision that you have taken, you will never regret it. You trust me. Okay, now let's continue with the tutorials. Maybe you are not on this interface. Let me click here. So let's say after logging in, you are on your main dashboard here. So just all that you need to do is go down here, locate WordPress, click on that. And in here, this is the installation that I've already done, the WordPress installation. Okay, so I'm going to install a new WordPress on a new domain. Okay, so I will click here, install, and it will take you to this interface. First of all, let's change the domain. If the domain which has been added to this account is one domain, then you see that domain here. If you have a lot of domain or more than 2 or 3, then you need to click here and look through it and locate the one we just added. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so there's the domain name, so just click on that. Make sure that this WP is out. You have to remove it, and then you go down here. Here you have to enter your admin username. That's what you are going to use to log into WordPress website. Okay, so make sure you enter something simple. I want to go with Irida, and in here my password, I will just generate new one. I'll hide it and generate new one. Okay, good. Now I can then go down here and click install. Okay, so within a minute or some seconds. Okay, so it's now successful. I'm going to log in. Okay, so I will then click here. When you click here, it will take you to WordPress dashboard. Okay, or you can just click here to open the website as the front end of the website. Okay, good. So this is what your users will see when they visit this URL. Okay, this is the WordPress front end interface, and as you can see, it's far different from this one. This one is looking so amazing and very beautiful and responsive too. But look at this one, not good at all. So I'm going to show you how to modify it so that it would look like something like this one. Okay, so first let me close that. Now let's come back here. If you want to log in, just click here and it will take you to your WordPress dashboard. Or let's say you don't want to go through that. With here, you can just, after open your domain or your website, just click here and enter /wp-admin. Okay, so your domain name /wp-admin, and click enter. It will take you to your login page where you can log in. Okay, since the password, I generated a password, I don't have it, I don't know, so I want to log in using the cPanel. So I will then close this, come back here. In case for some reason you are no more here, let's say I'll click here and go to the front end. In case you want to get access to automatic login, just go down here and locate WordPress. Locate WordPress here, click on that. You see all the installation, and there's the one we just completed, and we have login here. When you click here, automatically it will take you to your WordPress dashboard. As you can see, we are on our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so in this video I'm going to include the cleaning of WordPress dashboard in this tutorial. So here I will uncheck that. The dashboard is not looking all that good, so I just want to have something beautiful, something neat. So I'm going to uncheck all this just to get rid of unwanted those stuff from there. Okay, so I'll close that. You see, it's now looking neat. So what we need to do, let's go to post. We have some default posts that we need to delete. This, I don't need that, so I can just click here and go to trash here and empty the trash. Okay, good. We can also go to pages, and the installation came with some pages that we need to delete because we want to have a clean dashboard. So just select move to trash here and apply, go to trash, then you empty the trash here. Okay, that's simple. Now we are done with that. Let's go to comment. Sometimes you may see comment, there's no comment. Let's go to themes. click on that. So you go to appearance, we have theme, click on that. These are some of the themes which came with the installation, so I will delete this one. I just want to have a clean dashboard, so I will delete that and delete this too, so that I will only leave one of them. Okay, good. Now let's go to settings. There is some settings here that we need to do. For instance, let's go to settings here and go to permalinks. So under permalinks here, you see day and name, which is not good at all for SEO, search engine optimization. So come to post name and update it. Select the post name and update it. That is the best way, okay, or best one, or the good one. Okay, let's go to what else. So we are done with that. Now let's go to the dashboard. Okay, so far so good. We have done the installation. We're done with the installation of WordPress, and we have removed all the things that we don't need from our WordPress dashboard. And so right now, what I want to tell you right now is thank you for watching, and watch out for the next video, and trust me, your life will never be the same.